Hello guys, welcome to our Techtastic TV YouTube channel. Today we going to build a Notepad clone using ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT website and type build a Notepad app for Windows using Python. And now ChatGPT is writing code for us. It's using Kinter module for graphical user interface and creating some basic functionalities like text area for user. Save file function to save our file. Open file function to open existing text file and clear function to clear text area. It's also creating some menus like file menu and edit menu. Now our code is ready. Let's copy this code and paste it in our notepad.py file. Now save this file. After saving file, go to our folder where you can save your file and then open your terminal. Run this command using Python notepad.py. As you can see now our very own Notepad. Our app is open. We created a Windows Notepad clone. Without writing single line of code. Let's type something here, and for example I typing thanks for watching our video. We will meet on next video. After that we try to open new file in Notepad. We select any file and click for open. Here you can see our new file is open. After that we try to save. We save this blank page. We write randomly any name and save it. Our file is successfully saved. After all of this we exit our Notepad. That's it. This is our simple Notepad app that we build using ChatGPT in 1 minute. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.